Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Ripto. We are still in NFT season. We've seen some good pumps on Bitcoin, Ethereum and some of the altcoins, but for me it is still the summer of NFT gaming tokens. Now we've been through some of the top ones like Axie Infinity, Crypto Blades, etc. But where is the money going to filter now? The pumps have happened on these tokens. Now people want to move their profits. So we're going to look at 3 alternative NFT gaming tokens that could be the next big investment for people wanting to move their profits from the likes of Axie Infinity, Crypto Blade, My DeFi Pet, etc. So if you want to find out which 3 we think could be potentials, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Welcome. So before we get into the 3 that we're going to look at, I want to say that anything you see in today's video is not financial advice. I'm no financial advisor and this bad boy is here for your educational purposes. But if you've been with this channel a while, you will already know that. But if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button, press that subscribe bar and tickle that bell notification because you're in for a good NFT ride. So first of all, we're going to jump into the chart and we're going to look at Axie Infinity because Axie Infinity looks to me like it's massively oversold now. It's had its pump, it's done some good rallies. This is the 4-hour chart, so it's done a steady incline, and now people are thinking, okay, it's trading sideways. People that have got the profits are looking for that next token. Now we don't have a crystal ball here at Crypto Ripto, but we do have some good idea after research of what we like the look of. So number 1 that we're going to look at that's already a popular gaming token is TLM, which is Alien Worlds. Now Alien Worlds is a play and earn. It's available on the Binance Smart Chain. We're not going to go into the website too much, but you can dive over there and you can have a look what it's all about. It's got its roadmap on there, which is well and truly on the way now, because back in the midst of the altcoin season, I think Alien Worlds when it first came out was trading at like $6 and now it's down to like 30 cents or something like that. But we'll go through the price chart. But a lot of people know this gaming token. A lot of people already have been playing this game and know this and are absolute top fans of it. And as you can tell from the mass Twitter following that Alien Worlds has, it's got over 55.2 thousand people following its Twitter. It's got a big backing on the game. It gets a lot of engagement and a lot of following on the actual platforms. And like I said, people know this token. And from my experience, it's also easy to buy because this one is available on Binance. You can literally put buy orders in and put sell orders in on this one. And you don't have to go through like an exchange, like a swap exchange. So this makes Alien Worlds a very attractive kind of token, and it's based on Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. Now if we have a look at the price action, you'll see that it's going sideways and it's at 30 cents at the moment. But for me, this is not giving you financial advice to say, yeah, let's go out and buy Alien Worlds. This is putting these NFTs on your radar because you need to watch the next big NFTs, because people are going to start filtering their big massive gains that they've had on Axie Infinity, Crypto Blades, My DeFi Pet, etc. because investors are looking for their next big pump now. And Alien Worlds for me is definitely one I'm going to be keeping my eye on. So jot this down, put it in your iPhone notes or put it on a bit of paper or put it on your Excel spreadsheet for investing, and just keep an eye on it. Go over to PooCoin. You can get the address from Coin Market Cap. Go over to PooCoin and just keep an eye on it daily. When it has its next leg up, you're in a prime location to sort of buy around about a steady price range. Now the way I do it, and I'll just show you quickly on this one as I will the other ones. So as you can see, the price went down, it bottomed out around here, so this would have been the bottom, and it's been trading sort of 34 cents. So it's not done no massive, for me, a massive pump or gain. So there still is potential of this. For me, TLM is definitely one to have on your radar. So jot this down and keep an eye on the price action. Next up is Chaincade. Now Chaincade is a massive top search token. Now we'll just have a look quick on CoinMarketCap. So on CoinMarketCap, Chaincade is a relatively new token, hype now, and a lot of people are looking into this. And the fully diluted market cap is only 2 million, which is still relatively low. And you can get the Binance Smart Chain address on here, and we can look at all that all important price action in a second. But again, Chaincade is getting a lot of momentum and it's getting trending, and it's on the CoinMarketCap trending tokens, so it's definitely one to go over there and have a look. I think this could potentially hit. So looking on the price chart now, you can see I've already done a few buy lines here. Now I need to move this over a little bit just so you can see this. Now it's already had, since I looked at this around here on this retest, a nice little pump, and this was all in the space of the last day and a half. Now for me, this is because a lot of people are looking to move their profits. They're looking at the trending tokens and they're seeing that Chaincade is a hidden gem. It's kind of like a sleeper, but it has had its little pump. So now we need to find out, where is Chaincade gonna filter out? So for me, if it ever drops and bounces in this buy area here, this is a massive momentum. But if you have a look at where the price action's been, it is around here, and to me this is still low. If NFTs are still going to take off all the way through summer, and we've still got another 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks of NFT gaming tokens, a lot of price action can happen in this amount of time. And as you can see here, it's not been trading that long. So like I said, it was right back for the beginning of the month, and the price action has traded sort of around these areas, and it's only recently had its next leg up. So for me, there still could be potential in this because the price is still shockingly cheap. And if people are moving their profits from the likes of Axe Infinity, my DeFi pet, Crypto Blades, which are trading, some of them were trading Crypto Blades nearly $200, Axe Infinity over $35, $40. So for that to get into this wouldn't take a lot of money with a small market cap that it's got. So again, get Chaincade down, put that down on your notes, get that as one to watch. I'm not saying it is going to pump, and I'm not saying it's going to not be a good one, but we need to find these early. So we want to know where this money's going to flow. So we want to get these on the radar, start looking for them early signs of pumping, and we will be the first ones in. Obviously, like I say, we can't always get the bottom. We can't squeeze every cent out like some Scrooge McDuck or some SpongeBob squeeze pants and Mr. Cent. Do you know what I mean? But we can look to get an idea where good buy-ins are. So get Chaincade on your radar, and we'll bang it down as one of them to keep an eye on. And this is Chain Guardians. Now Chain Guardians is another gaming token. You can pop over to their website, look at their missions, what it is, their vision is, how they enable the mass adoption. Chain Guardians is one of the most transparent gaming tokens out there because the team have put themselves behind it. There's not going to be no rug pull on this one. They're fully backing this. They've got a massive team. Exciting project. Now we're going to have a quick look at CoinMarketCap. You'll see Chain Guardians got a bit more momentum. It's trading up at around the 50-cent mark. It's not had a massive pump, but it's had a bit of a pump. It's got a fully diluted market cap of over 60 million with trading volume in the last 24 hours down 42% and just over 1 million, which means been picked up by the people that are moving their money from the Axe Infinities, Crypto Blades, Wild DeFi Pet, etc. This could be a potential bottom area to get in early on this token. Now I'm not saying this is going to be another one, but this is one of the ones I am highly looking at. I really have got my eye on this one, and I'm going to jump over to the actual chart, and you can see it's already had a bit of momentum. The bottom was down here at 12 cents and it shot up all the way up and steadying out about 51 cents, which is 260%. So there is a lot more potential in this token, because you can see where this was trading at its heights is around about the $2 mark. So it still could be like $1.50 undervalued at the moment, but we don't know that until we start seeing a shift in momentum and a shift in profits from these big NFT tokens that have been putting a lot of money into the market. But for me, it's definitely one to watch because it's trading in the bottom half of its channel. You can see the bottom was down here. Obviously, I'll zoom this in for you a little bit because this is not ideal. You can see the bottom was around about here, and you can see that when it crashed down and the bottom was where this red buy zone is, it's not that far from it now. So if you want to look at another one to make sure you've got potential, I would be putting on my radar chart is TLM, Alien World, Chaincade and Chain Guardian on your radar, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you agree with these three picks, or if you know of another NFT that's coming out that's not out yet, that you think is going to do a massive potential gain. The reason I pick these is because they're known and they're trending, and a lot of people, if they're trending and they're known, a lot of people are going to be looking to these to move their kind of profits from this, all this NFT profits that they've been making into these. Now on the channel, we will either end of this week, beginning of next week, try and look for new ones that are coming to the market, so stay tuned for that if you've stayed to the end of this video. But please, I'm not on here to, you'll get a lot of YouTubers that will show you these tokens and they'll just show you the same old crap that you can find out yourself. They'll show you, this is the website, the game looks good, the game plays this. To me, it's, we're not there to buy the game, we're there to buy the price chart, the action, where we think the money's going to move to. Is it going to be a bit more sustainable? Are we going to see profits flow into this? And you need to see this in price chart action, and not a lot of people do put the price chart action on there. They'll just literally, you can go to their website and probably show you what a lot of these YouTubers show you anyway. But for me, I want to show you exactly what I'm doing to try and make profits on these tokens. I need to look at the price chart, watch it, study it, get into these, sorry, I'm just going to put it one more time, hopefully I don't bore you, get into these buy areas where I set up and I'll share with you. And this is where, obviously these are all risky coins, never invest what you can't afford to lose, and this is not financial advice, but we want to get one, maybe two tokens that do the 10x or the 100x in every 6 that we invest in, because we're not magicians, we're not David Blaine's or anything like that. We just edge our kind of knowledge into the fact that we can sort of edge the market, try and front run the market, and if we win 2 of our 6 trades, we know we're going to be, them 2 in profit are going to outweigh any losses that we have. So a massive thank you as always. Please, if you've not already watched my video from last night, which is a massive thank you to all my subscribers. I'm going to say it again, for getting my monetization on this channel up, for getting my subscribers hitting nearly 2k. I really appreciate it. So this is encouraging me to bring out some massive momentum for you. And if you can hear a bit of noise in the background, it's because I've got my door open and it's absolutely tanking it down in London. I can just see a wash of rain. It's going to like flood everywhere. But as always, trade smart, trade safe, and don't get wrecked.